What's up people, back to another vlog. So it's not a vlog this time, this is an unboxing video. The Bluetooth Intercom ASG SG5. So let's unbox it. So this is the ASG SG5 helmet Bluetooth intercom, and you people can see that I got this around on December 29th, I feel. Yeah, December 29th. One of the best intercoms available in India. It only costed me around 10,000 rupees. I ordered it from the Bike Vault. So let's unbox it. So this is the top car. Let me clear these props. Let's see the bad boy. Okay, so this is the bill from the Bikers Vault. The bill is 10,000, that we know. So this is the sticker from Bikers Vault. So this is the user manual. Yeah, so done with this. So this is the ASG-AC5 Bluetooth intercom. So let's open it further. So this is the ASG5 device. This is the mount for this. So this is the device. This has an antenna for it. I think we should turn it on like this. So yeah, it's switched on. Not that heavy too. Okay, let's turn it off. I feel this is the correct thing. Yeah, done. So let's open this box. So we should have few clamps here. So these may be few velcros, and this is the clamp. If you can see. Let me clear these things. So these are the velcros. This is the clamp which will be fixed for the helmet. This is the mic velcro, and I feel these both are the mic velcros. This is the 3mm sticker for the clamp which is there inside, and these are for the headphone velcros. These both are the headphones velcros. So things aside, let's open. So this is the USB wire for the charging. Basic one, not a C1. People can see. So what's more, so this is the mic for the ASG. It gives a premium look. So this will be going inside the helmet. So here comes the, I don't know what this thing is used for. I'll figure it out later. And this is the main clamp where the headphones and the clamp sits. Okay, so this will be sitting on the side of the helmet. They gave a output for the mic, I feel. So these are the pins for the device. Where's the device? Yeah, here is the device. So these pins are gonna go here. This will be fixed like that, and these both are the headphones that will be fixed in the inside the helmet. There is a space given. Obviously there will be a space given inside the helmet for that. So that's it. These are the things which I got in the box: the device and the clamp, the velcros, and a mic. Where is the USB charger? Yeah, this is the USB charger, and these are the things which I got. So let's fix it to the helmet and see how it works. So let's go. So yeah, these are the things which I got in the box, contents of the box basically. So this is the clamp with the headphones. So these are the velcros. This is the clamp which we have to fix it outside the helmet like this. So here the clamp sits, I'll say you, and this is the sticker for the clamp, so that we can stick the clamp like this if you don't have any option to keep this clamp. So let me keep it neat and clean. So this is the main device. This is the ASG SG5. So I don't know what this thing is used for. If anyone knows it, please drop the comment. So this is the mic. I like the mic actually. It gives a premium feel. In this point, yeah, it goes on this point. And this is the USB for the charging. These are the contents. This is my helmet, Axir Apex Vivid. I brought it around at 6,000 rupees. So I removed the side cushions, yeah, if you can see, and the side cushions also. I already put a velcro which we got in the box, and you have to keep it here, and other velcro will be going here. The com will be fixed here or else here. Here it's impossible, so you have to put the clamp here. I showed you a clamp, so the clamp will be going here. This is the clamp which they did give in the box. So the first thing you have to do is that the clamp, you have to fix it here or here. Here it's impossible. I tried it like for hours, but it wasn't going inside, so I decided to keep the clamp here. Push the clamp in a bit hard. So yeah, the clamp sits like this. You can keep it even here, but it's safe keeping here. But that said, because the ASG comes this much, this big, so that this doesn't come in the middle. Make sure that it sits properly. This thing goes here. There is a space given for that. Just push it downwards so it gets fixed. Keep it a bit tight. So this thing don't sit here properly. Go for the sticker. They gave a 3mm sticker. Just take out the sticker, stick it like this, and permanently stick this thing here. So now there are two speakers given. Left is the small one, means the small distance wire. Right is the long distance wire. Right have to go around the head from here like this, and it has to come here. This sits here. So I'll show you how to keep it. A bit of jugaad is needed, of course. These things are delicate. Be careful with these things. This is the left side of velcro. Keep it like this. It sits properly. Yeah, check it. Yeah, it sits properly, if you people can see. This comes, see, remove this cushion. The wire should go back side of the cushion like this. Keep the right speaker here properly, and there's a, wait, okay. The thing is that these wires you have to take, I'll take a small paper tape or a duct tape. I'll just keep this thing here. I'll tape it here. So I'll tape these things here. It's all fixed. I put a tape here. I put another tape here. The speakers are set. One here, the right one, and another one, the left one, fixed properly. Once it's done, and now let's put the mic. So this is the mic. It goes inside this. So it goes inside this, and the mic should come like this. See, like this, if you people can see the mic. a good breathing space for the wires too. I have to put it like this, and yeah, the setup is done. So where are the cushion pads? These are the cushion pads. 1 year old, they already become soft. Adjust properly according to your helmets. This wire shouldn't disturb the speaker. These velcros are for mics. I did not use them. I just kept it like that. I'll soon keep one. So this is the setup for the ASG SG5. So I have to keep even this cushion. This is the the left cushion. This goes like this. So now helmet is ready, set, go. So yeah, these are the clamps. So this is the main thing. We have to fix this device on this. So they gave a small side window kind of a thing. I don't know what these things are called. You have to clamp it like this. Be careful while doing this. And these pins are so sensitive. Be careful with that. And whenever you are riding, make sure that it's properly locked. So there is a button over here. Press that, fix it, release, done. So now the ASG is properly fixed to your helmet. I already showed you the process how to keep the inside installment. Let me open the antenna. So yeah, so it somewhat looks like this. So let me turn it on. There is a button over here and there's a button over here too. Press both simultaneously. It turns on, and this is the intercom button. This button is the intercom button. This is the function button. This is the volume button. When you rotate it anti-clockwise, the volume decreases. When you go clockwise, then the volume increases. This is the next button. This is the previous button. So this is the microphone jack, 3.5 mm output, and this is the aux in. I have to try this feature. I'm so eager to try this one. So here he gave a USB port where you can charge it. I heard that it gives you like 1 hour charge. 1 hour of charge will give you 8 hours of workflow. So yeah, it even has a Siri and Google too. You can actually connect with more than 5 to 6 bikers, and the main thing is that it connects with Sena. Yes, you heard it correct. It connects with the Sena intercom, and it also it actually has a universal connect feature. I'll show you afterwards. I'll be saying all the features of it. It has a Bluetooth 4.1, and coming to the features, you can listen to music, that is obvious. You can attend calls, you can cut the calls. It has a FM radio inbuilt, and there is a 8 riders conference call intercom. You can and one more thing is that you can actually connect with the Sena, and you can use it while charging also. It's a big benefit to people who ride long. And you can also talk with the Siri and Google now with the mic given inside. And that's all. This is the in budget Bluetooth intercom available in the market in India. It costs you around 10,000. This is the unboxing video of my ASG SG5. I'll be back again with more unboxing videos. Stay tuned.